700 million people live in rural India. While the urban India has moved very rapidly over the last several years, people in rural India have got very little. Most of them do not even have a decent health care. There are very few doctors in rural India. The key to health care, therefore, is remote diagnostics and telemedicine. Can the people in rural India get 90% of their treatment done using remote healthcare?
With the vision of healthcare for all, Sameer Savarkar and Rajiv Kumar started Neurosynaptic in 2003. Neurosynaptic works in close collaboration with the Indian Institute of Technology Madras and is part of the Tenet Group of IITM.
Our mission is to be the leading medical services integrator and drive excellence in remote healthcare. We focus on developing and integrating appropriate technologies for remote diagnosis and healthcare delivery. Rural healthcare transformation can be achieved by enabling the healthcare professionals with appropriate technologies and processes. This will in turn make quality healthcare available to each and every individual affordably.
Rural population can access quality healthcare at their doorsteps through Remedy technology. This technology allows the individual to see and talk to the doctor from remote locations. Remedy captures and transmits various vital parameters during the consultation. Medical records are stored digitally and are available on demand. Our processes ensure end-to-end healthcare delivery. This Indian village, Velangudi in Tamil Nadu, has a population of about 4,000 and a per capita income of about $200. The nearest town, Tirupattur, is located about 12 kilometers away and the frequency of transportation is poor. The village has poor quality of power, available for about 12 hours a day, and it has basic but limited connectivity. The village does not have a qualified doctor or any healthcare facility. In June 2007, Neurosynaptic established a Remedy-enabled healthcare center in Velangudi. The healthcare scenario in this village has changed since then. Velangudi is now connected to Lakshmi Nursing Home at Tirupattur, where Dr. Sukumar consults. The villagers can now access the doctor every day without having to travel to the town. Remedy allows the operator to register the patient, enable audio and video conferencing with the doctor. Then the doctor from the remote end can check various parameters of the patient, like ECG, temperature, etc. The doctor can also listen to heart and lung sounds through the Remedy stethoscope. Requests for lab investigations or imaging can also be made. Electronic medical records, case sheets, are maintained by the doctor for future follow-up. Prescriptions can be generated by the doctor and given to the patient.
This technology Remedy is an excellent tool for patients as well as doctors. In this technology, you can connect to the patient on the remote end, and the doctor can interact, he can see the patient as well as he can record certain vital parameters like blood pressure, temperature, stethoscope, and also he can take recordings of the ECG. It is an advantage for the patient where he can get an appointment with the consultant or a specialist, and also the doctor can follow up the patient.
கேளிங்க இருக்கறனால டாக்டர் நேரடியா வந்து வீடியோ மூலமாவே பாத்துக்குவோம், எல்லாம் செக்கப் பண்ணிக்குவோம். வெளியூர் போகணும்னு அவசியம் இல்லை. மருந்து மாத்திரை எல்லாம் நர்ஸ் மூலமாவே வாங்கிக்குவோம்.
எங்கள் ஊரில் ஒரு நல்ல டாக்டர் இல்லாதனால நாங்கள் இவ்வளோ நாள் வைத்தியம் பார்க்குறக்காக பக்கத்து ஊருக்கு போய் தான் செலவழித்து வைத்தியம் பார்த்துட்டு வந்தோம். இதனால் எங்களுக்கு போக்குவரத்து செலவும் அதிகமாக இருந்துச்சு. எங்களுக்கு ஒரு நாள் வேலைக்கு போகிற கூலியும் கெட்டு போச்சு. இப்போ இங்கேயே இந்த கிளினிக் இருக்கிறதுனால எங்களுக்கு போக்குவரத்து செலவு மிச்சம். அதோட இங்கேயே கம்மியான விலையில் நல்ல டாக்டர்கிட்ட நாங்கள் வைத்தியம் பார்த்துக்கிறோம். இங்கே வந்தால் இங்கே இருக்க நர்ஸ் மூலமாக நாங்கள் எங்களோட சர்க்கரை வியாதி மற்ற பிபி எல்லாமே டாக்டரோட கலந்தாச்சு நல்லா செக் பண்ணி கொடுக்குறாங்க. இங்கே வந்தோம்னா சர்க்கரை மற்ற ப்ரெஷர் இசிஜி மற்ற எல்லாமே இங்கே குறைஞ்ச விலையில் எங்களுக்கு தரமான வைத்தியம் பார்த்து கொடுக்குறாங்க.
இந்த சென்டர் நான் நடத்தி கொண்டு வந்திருக்கிறேன். 2 பேஷண்ட் வந்து போயிருக்கிறாங்க, 2-3 பேர். இதனால தான் என் வாழ்க்கையை நடத்தி கொண்டே இருக்கிறேன்.
This is how typical Remedy-enabled healthcare delivery network looks like. Various entities which play a role in this delivery are Village Health Center, doctor, lab, pharmacy, and clinic or hospital. There is also a central control station from where the whole network is managed. All the entities are connected to the server either on a virtual private network or internet. The Remedy server offers various facilities like consultation management, maintenance, access and security of patient medical records, billing, quality control, system diagnostics and event logs, and generation of management report.
Remedy technology has a direct and significant impact on both preventive and curative healthcare in the rural areas. Apart from giving the rural populace an access to the doctor, it also addresses varied conditions ranging from common cold, fever, cough to lifestyle diseases like hypertension and diabetes. Preliminary screening and early detection is possible in cardiovascular diseases, respiratory diseases. It also addresses in areas like antenatal care. This is a huge benefit for the individual and also to the society.
Although the solution has helped the villagers, creating this impact had its own set of challenges. These range from poor internet connectivity and power conditions in the villages to cultural acceptability of the solution. The solution had to be kept affordable to create viable business models. End-to-end healthcare delivery had to be ensured to make it useful for the villagers.
Towards the end of 2006, the India Business Club at MIT Boston recognized the work of Neurosynaptic in rural healthcare by conferring the Global Indus Technovator Award 2006 under Grassroots Technology section. World Economic Forum has selected Neurosynaptic Communication as Technology Pioneer 2008.
What is very exciting is actually Neurosynaptic has addressed issues of scalability and implementation, which are key to successful translation of such technologies in an implementable manner. And it can make a difference indeed all over the world, particularly in continents such as Africa and South America and parts of Asia, where these technologies can be easily implemented and where, in a manner similar to India, access to healthcare is poor, but good medical capability is actually available in pockets. Where does Neurosynaptic go from here?
We are in the process of enhancing the technology to address the diagnosis of much wider range of diseases. At the same time, the existing technology is being applied to address the needs in the other healthcare segments as well. Our goal is to make these technologies available globally. I invite you to participate in this healthcare revolution.